In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Out of Office in Microsoft Teams. If your status is stuck on Out of Office, or people are getting automatic replies when they message you, this quick walkthrough will help you switch that off and get back to normal. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web app in your browser. The steps look almost the same in both. Give it a moment to load your chats and Teams so everything is up to date. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. If you don't have a photo set, you'll see your initials in a small circle. Click that. This opens a personal menu where you can manage your settings, status, and notifications. From this menu, choose Set Status Message. Even though we're turning off Out of Office, this is the quickest path to the right place. A small panel will appear that lets you write a status and control how it shows up to others. In that panel, click Schedule Out of Office. This opens a dedicated window for Out of Office settings. It's the same area that connects to your Microsoft 365 automatic replies, so changes you make here also apply across Outlook and other Microsoft apps tied to your account. Now look for the toggle labeled Turn on Automatic Replies. If your Out of Office is currently active, this switch will be turned on and you'll likely see your automatic reply message below it. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, automatic replies will stop sending, and your Teams status will no longer show you as Out of Office. If you see different wording like Automatic Replies On, simply make sure it's set to off. Finally, click Save. This confirms your change and applies it to your account. In most cases, your status updates right away, and the Out of Office banner, if you had one, disappears. If you're in an active chat or meeting, give it a few moments to refresh. Because Teams and Outlook share these settings, you should notice that people no longer receive those away messages when they contact you. That's all it takes. Open Teams, click your profile picture, choose Set Status Message, go to Schedule Out of Office, turn off the Automatic Replies toggle, and hit Save. With that, you're back to your regular availability and ready to rejoin conversations without sending automatic replies.